In Part 6 of Lecture 1, we will discuss beginning to work with the shell in Linux. Every operating system needs an interface where the user can perform various tasks, like opening, loading, saving, closing, and deleting files, creating and deleting directories, and starting the execution of programs. We usually call the interface the shell, because it is the outermost part of the operating system, and it is the part most visible to users. There are a few benefits provided by shells in Linux. We can use file name shorthands that allow us to use wildcard characters to perform commands on a collection of files, all specified at once. It allows us to redirect input and output, which means that instead of getting standard input from the keyboard or sending standard output to the screen, the source or destination of either of these, or both, can be a file or even a different device. And you can personalize your environment, which means changing the directories that the shell will search automatically when you give the computer a command, or customizing your prompt, among other things. In these examples, we are saving the different sections or chapters of a book in separate files. If I want to print them all, I can type the PR command and then list every file. Or I can type PR space CH asterisk. The asterisk can stand for any string of characters. In this example, it will check for any files in the working directory that begin with CH, and it will then display them in printable format. In the second example, WC space CH1 period asterisk, it uses the WC or word count command to display counts of characters, words, and lines. It will do this for every file whose name begins with CH1. This is applied to all files with sections of Chapter 1. WC space CH asterisk will use WC on all the files whose names begin with CH. If I had typed WC CH 1.1 space CH 1.2 space CH 2.1 space CH 2.2 space, it would have done the same thing, but I would have saved some typing by using the shorthand instead. The command echo displays text on the screen. If I type echo space hello space world, it will display hello world. Wildcard characters are used exclusively to refer to a group of files. So when I type echo space ch1 period asterisk, it will display in this example ch1.1 and ch1.2. If these chapters are the only files in this directory, typing echo space asterisk will lead it to display ch1.1, ch1.2, ch2.1, and ch2.2. I can use this with other commands as well. PR space asterisk will display all the files in the current directory in printable format. RM asterisk will delete all the files in the current directory. Don't ever do this unless you are really, really sure that you want them all gone. RM space asterisk dot SAV will delete all the files whose name end in period SAV. I would advise great caution for this one as well. The square brackets will match a single occurrence of one of the characters inside the brackets. So, if I typed PR space CH open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 close bracket, it would print every whole chapter except for 5, because that is the only single-digit number outside of 0 that is not included. I could also write this as PR space CH open bracket 1-4 6-9. And these ranges allow us to avoid writing all 8 digits. Similarly, if I typed RM temp open bracket A-Z close bracket, it would delete temp A, temp B, and so on through temp Z, assuming that they all exist. A question mark replaces any single occurrence of a single character. Typing ls space question mark lists every single character file name, no matter what the file name is. Similarly, typing rm space ch question mark dot 1 will delete temp 1, temp 2, and so on, including temp A, temp B, and so on, if they exist. For any of these metacharacters to work, the file names that they are specifying must exist. So mv space ch dot asterisk chapter dot asterisk won't work because the files whose names begin with chapter do not exist. You can also use these in other parts of the path name. So you could write usr / calendar. It will use every file named character in every subdirectory of USR.